Hello everybody, I'm Annie and I'm quite sure that many people will be able to relate to my story. I used to have terrible acne and no matter what I did, it just wouldn't go away. I used to feel so bad about what I looked like and I didn't even want to leave my house because I was just so embarrassed. I then discovered the Acne No More system. I was skeptical, which is natural after everything I had tried. Mr. Walden, who is the creator of this system, professes that if you follow this program, you are sure to get rid of your acne problems in 30 to 60 days. He proclaims that it's a completely safe and natural holistic acne solution that can get rid of the skin condition forever. It offers a multi-dimensional approach to eradicating the internal imbalances that cause all forms of acne. The best thing about this approach is the fact that it doesn't cure you with any chemicals or horrible pills and creams. So I started seeing my first results in just 1 week, and needless to say that now I don't have any form of acne and my skin is absolutely clean. However, it did take me quite a while to get adjusted to the new lifestyle that I was living, and I had to stay very committed to the decision I had taken. I honestly have to say that this is the best system out there if you're looking to get rid of your acne problems and get rid of them forever and for sure. It worked great on me, although I had to change a lot of things to achieve the results that I wanted. But it's honestly the best decision I have ever made. If you're interested, visit www.naturalskincarelove.com/acne no more review.